Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 26th of June. I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on two Asian indices, the Nikkei-225 and the Hang Seng. What we'll see is that in both indices we expect further upside progress. On the Hang Seng, there's a flag formation that looks like it's going to break to the upside, and in the Nikkei, there was an engulfing pattern on today's picture, and it looks like there will be follow through, and moves to the upside should be expected. So on the daily Nikkei chart, you can see we had this engulfing picture yesterday, and further upside should be expected from that. It would be a big surprise if there wasn't some follow through buying. What we're seeing is that in the middle of June, the index came back, found support at the 20-day moving average. This is now pushing the index higher. We have been this high before. You'll see on the weekly in a few moments there is resistance at this level, but I would expect it's got the momentum to push through. On the momentum indicators, you can see that the RSI is ticking along, started to tick higher again. Expect that to push up to really indicate positive momentum. It's well above 50 at 62, so it's a positive. Perhaps the only negative from the technical picture on the daily is this MACD, which is only moving sideways, isn't moving upwards yet, but it is above zero. Keep your eye on it, but I think if we do move into, if we do get further upside progress, that will soon turn upwards. On the weekly chart, and here you can see the resistance that I was talking about. It's from last May through to the sell-off that we had in August. Actually, it's 2015, not last year, from the year before. But you can see that recently we've had this picture of higher highs. We've pushed through the 20-week moving average. Momentum is strong. Here the RSI is at 64. The MACD are just about to cross again, well above zero. So again, I would expect a push to test that resistance and hopefully break it and move above the 21,000 level over the next few weeks. On the 4-hour chart, you can see the push up that we've had over the last day. We are at resistance levels from the trading that we saw on the 2nd of June, but expect that to be broken. The 24-hour moving average is moving back up, as is the 50-hour, and the RSI and MACD. RSI is positive 62.75 and has ticked higher, and the MACD are just about to cross, moving upwards. Looking at the support resistance levels, we've got resistance at the highs of 2nd of June 249.6 and the 20th of June 309.3, with supports coming in at the 24-hour 128.26 and the 20-day, which is at 2000.86. So moving on to the Hang Seng, slightly different picture here. You can see that we've got this flag and has found support around the 20-day moving average. It does look like the flag will be broken to the upside. All the signs are there, looking for a break. We've got the positive move in the last 2-3 days. We've got the RSI ticking back up. It is indicative of positive momentum, 59.69. MACD still tracking down, but the differential narrowing, and expect those to cross shortly. They are above zero. On the weekly, here you can see that it's been a 3-week consolidation. It's allowed the moving averages to catch up somewhat. Over that period, the 50-week has crossed the 200-week, moving upwards, which is positive. Again, MACD is better, still short term above long term, and the RSI's up at 68.17, bubbling along there, showing positive momentum. On the 4 hour, again, it's a similar picture to what we saw on the daily. A flag picture just about to be broken to the upside. There's slight resistance that needs to be overcome at the 25,860, around there. That was from trading on the 20th of June. But if we can break that, that'll break the pattern of lower highs, break the trend, and break the flag and confirmation of the flag to the upside. Here, the moving averages, it's found support on the 54 hour. We've now got the 20, which is turning upwards, very close to the 50. That should give the trampoline effect to give the break to the upside. RSI positive 57.83, MACD bottoming, turning up, still above zero. Expect it to be shouting a buy signal over the next 4 to 8 hours. So looking at the support resistances on the Hang Seng, again, it's daily resistances from 20th of June at 874, and then the 9th of June 952, with the supports coming in at the 20 day 672.6 and the 54 hour at 615. Thanks for watching this video from TA for Traders. Just to clarify the key points on the Nikkei, it does look good. There's limited resistance to the upside. Upside momentum on all the charts, and if there was any consolidation, there is supports. And on the Hang Seng, again, the charts look good. The flags are about to break to the upside. The daily and 4 hour charts look very similar, indicative of that flag formation, and the any pickup in upside momentum should do it in relation to the break of the flag. Many thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, do subscribe. I'm doing daily videos, not just on equity indices, also on single stocks, on Forex markets, and on the commodity markets. Please remember, these videos are for educational purposes only and are not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.